الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء وسيد المرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this short clip I'm going to tell you the blessings of Suratul Kahf, the benefits of reciting this beautiful surah of the Quran, Suratul Kahf. Before I mention the benefits, I would like to tell you some factual information regarding Suratul Kahf. Suratul Kahf is the 18th surah of the Quran. There are 110 verses in this surah and 12 rukus. Suratul Kahf is a Makki surah, means this surah was revealed in Makkatul Mukarramah. Regarding this surah, it is mentioned that at the time of its revelation, 70,000 angels came down from sky. My dear brothers and sisters, it is enough for us to understand the status and rank of Suratul Kahf, that 70,000 angels were come down at the time of its revelation. The Prophet of Mercy, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, whoever recites Suratul Kahf on Friday, they will have a light between this Friday till next Friday. And it's been mentioned that this light, this nur, will illuminate from the earth up till the sky. It has also been mentioned that this light will illuminate the grave of that person. And also on the day of judgment, on the day of resurrection, this light will also accompany that man. So my dear brothers and sisters, this is very beautiful surah. By reciting this surah, we will attain an immense nur from our Almighty Allah. And this nur will differentiate us from sinners, inshallah. Let's listen one more blessed saying of our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. This hadith was narrated by Hazrat Bara ibn Azib radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He narrates, a man was reciting Suratul Kahf and his horse was tied with 2 ropes besides him. A cloud came down and spread over that man, and it kept closer and closer to him. And his horse started jumping as if it were afraid of something. When it was morning, he came to our beloved Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam and told our Nabi about his experience. The noble Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, that was tranquility, the peace which descended because of the recitation of Suratul Kahf. Allama Ibn Hajar Asqalani explained that here means in the hadith, in the blessed saying of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Sakina referred to the angels, Malaika, because such as on the time of the revelation of this surah, because wherever angels go, peace descended with them. So my dear brothers and sisters, if you are habitual to recite Suratul Kahf, Allah Azza wa Jal will protect you from debts. If you are in debts, Allah Azza wa Jal will remove your debts from your life. All you have to do to recite Suratul Kahf 7 times on a daily basis. Here are some more benefits of reciting Suratul Kahf. If you desire a long life, if you want to live a long life, recite Suratul Kahf. It is also mentioned that a person who recites Suratul Kahf, Allah Azza wa Jal grant him a very long life, inshallah. Suratul Kahf also protects a person from problems. If you have problems, if you have calamities, recite Suratul Kahf, you will get rid of them. And even if you don't have any problems, then inshallah Azawajal, from the blessings of this surah, inshallah you will be protected from all the problems and calamities. May Allah Azawajal protect us. May Allah Azawajal have mercy upon us. Dear brothers and sisters, please like and share the content, and if you have not done so, please subscribe to the channel. May Allah Azawajal protect us from evil eyes, and may Allah Azawajal grant us opportunity to recite Suratul Kahf. Ameen bijahi nabiyil ameen wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.